Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide on the best electric skateboard to help you find the perfect ride for your daily commute or weekend carving. From lightning-fast street cruisers to rugged off-road beasts, we have rounded up the top options on the market. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 1 is the Meepo V5 electric longboard skateboard. Constructed using 8 sturdy layers of high-quality Canadian maple wood, this exceptionally durable longboard incorporates a cleverly engineered deck handle that makes carrying the board effortless whenever you are not actively riding it around town. Powering this impressive electric skateboard are dual 500-watt hub motors that deliver a total output of 1,000 watts, allowing riders to smoothly accelerate up to a thrilling top speed of 28 miles per hour while maintaining a reliable riding range of up to 11 miles on a single complete battery charge. The electronic speed controller connects directly to the ergonomic wireless remote control system, providing 4 distinct riding settings, including an easy-to-use low-speed mode that enables beginners to build confidence gradually before moving up to maximum speed. Furthermore, the board carries an ingress protection rating of 5 for water resistance, ensuring full protection against unexpected splashes, raindrops, or wet road conditions during your daily journeys. The entire board weighs approximately 8 kilograms and features durable 90mm polyurethane wheels paired with an 11-inch wide and 38-inch long deck, delivering superior balance across various urban surfaces. Charging the battery from 0 to 100% takes 2.8 hours using the safe 1.5 ampere charger included with the board, alongside an adapter cable, remote control, repair tool, and detailed user manual. Certified for safety and backed by 6 months of manufacturer support, it is a fantastic choice for commuters.
Taking the second spot is the Uditer electric skateboard. Crafted with a premium 7-ply deck made from a combination of bamboo and maple wood, this stylish board features an impressive deck length of 37.6 inches and a width of 9.7 inches, delivering excellent flexibility and natural vibration dampening for an all-day comfortable ride. Powering this electric skateboard are dual 600-watt hub motors that generate a combined total output of 1,200 watts, allowing riders to effortlessly reach an exhilarating top speed of 28 miles per hour while conquering steep 30-degree hills with total ease. It comes equipped with high-performance automotive-grade lithium batteries that provide a solid riding distance of 10 to 13 miles on a single full charge. However, its standout feature is an innovative swap-and-go removable battery system that allows you to swap in a fresh spare battery within seconds to instantly extend your total riding range up to 26 miles. The board rides on large 105mm polyurethane wheels that absorb pavement shocks and provide incredible stability across rough city streets. In addition, the board includes a dual charging port design, allowing you to slash the charging time down to just 1.25 hours when using 2 chargers simultaneously, or 2.5 hours with a standard single charger. Safety and long-term battery health are prioritized with an intelligent battery management system that automatically enters a protective sleep mode after 3 days of inactivity alongside full safety certification. Weighing 10.1 kilograms, this feature-packed electric skateboard is an outstanding choice for all skill levels. Next on our list is the Meepo Mini 5 electric skateboard. Engineered specifically for riders who prioritize portability without sacrificing raw power, this compact cruiser features a 30-inch deck crafted from 8 sturdy layers of certified maple wood, complete with a practical rear kicktail that enables easy maneuvering and quick turning across tight city spaces. Powering this nimble board are dual 500-watt hub motors that allow riders to achieve an impressive top speed of 28 miles per hour and cover an overall riding distance of up to 11 miles on a single full charge. Weighing just 17.42 pounds, its compact dimensions and built-in front-end protective guard make it remarkably convenient to carry onto public buses, subway trains, or store under a classroom desk. The board incorporates an upgraded detachable wheel design that allows you to easily maintain or customize your hub motor setup over time, alongside 90mm polyurethane wheels that provide a smooth smooth and responsive feel on asphalt. Designed to accommodate a maximum weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, this model offers outstanding stability for beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Controlled via the included backlit wireless remote control, riders can smoothly modulate acceleration and braking across various speed settings. Safety remains a top priority with an advanced battery management system that individually monitors all 24 internal battery cells, fully certified for electrical safety and backed by 6 months of direct manufacturer support. Taking roughly 2.8 hours to recharge completely with the supplied charger, it is an ideal portable commuting option for everyday lifestyle riders.
At number 4, the Meepo Bamboo Series electric skateboard, crafted with an exceptionally spacious deck measuring 42.91 inches long and 12.13 inches wide. This high-performance off-road longboard utilizes a composite construction of bamboo, Canadian maple wood, and carbon fiber to offer a perfectly balanced blend of durability and flexibility. Designed to conquer demanding terrains with absolute ease, this board is equipped with massive 8-inch pneumatic all-terrain tires measuring 155 millimeters, mounted onto heavy-duty reinforced mountain bike-style trucks that provide outstanding shock absorption and stability across dirt paths, gravel, and rough city streets. Powering this machine are dual 1800-watt electric motors that generate a massive combined output of 3600 watts, enabling riders to effortlessly conquer steep 30% gradients and achieve a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The board is powered by a high-capacity 10-amp-hour battery that delivers a real-world riding distance of over 20 miles on a single 4-hour charge, making it ideal for both lengthy daily commutes and weekend outdoor exploration. Precision speed control and responsive braking are managed by an intelligent electronic speed controller linked to an advanced ergonomic wireless remote control, complete with a color screen display that tracks speed, mode selection, and reverse features in real time. Weighing 12 kilograms, this robust electric longboard easily supports all rider skill levels seeking unstoppable power and smooth ride comfort. Finishing our list at number 5, the Ebossom electric skateboard. Specially engineered for beginners, teenagers, and young riders aged 12 years and older, this compact cruiser shortboard features a sturdy maple wood deck measuring 27.6 inches in length and 9.1 inches in width. Powering this beginner-friendly electric skateboard is a reliable 350-watt brushless motor that delivers smooth acceleration, allowing young skaters to comfortably build confidence while cruising around the neighborhood. Designed with rider safety in mind, the board offers 4 distinct speed modes and reaches a manageable top speed of 10 miles per hour, providing a fun experience that remains safe for novice riders. Its high-efficiency battery yields an extended riding range of 6 to 8 miles per charge, making it ideal for daily after-school trips or weekend outings. The board is outfitted with 72mm medium-hardness polyurethane wheels that effectively absorb pavement vibrations across sidewalks and bike paths. An intuitive wireless remote control allows users to easily manage speed settings, apply responsive brakes, and switch between riding modes. Despite its compact design, the reinforced deck structure supports a maximum weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, with a recommended weight limit of 160 pounds for optimal performance. Additionally, parents can enjoy complete peace of mind thanks to full compliance with Underwriters Laboratories safety standards and official testing reports.